How to create Telegram bot. To create own Telegram bot, first of all you have to launch your Telegram application and make sure that you have logged into it. Then on the searching bar, search for bot father and hit on start. From there on the top you will see slash new bot. Simply hit on that. Now you need to give a name. Once you give the name, you need to give the username as well, and your token will be sent. Simply copy that token. Once you copy that, go back and on the searching bar search for controller bot. Now here, hit on start. Now select add channel. Now you need to paste that link that was previously copied. Now simply hit on the add basic 95 to admins. That is on the number 1. If you click on that, then one pop-up will appear. From there you need to select open link. There you go. You have successfully created Telegram bot. Now you have to connect it with the controller bot. Simply send a message and then you have opened your Telegram bot. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.